Right, so this is a ratio question and it's much simpler than it looks, because what the question is basically saying is that A to J equals 5 to 4. I'm using A as Addy and J as J, so just to make it simpler so I don't have to write the whole name out. And it says Addy gives J 5 stamps and now the ratio is 5 to 7. So if Addy gives 5 stamps, then that means that they lose 5 stamps. So A minus 5 to J, since they gain 5 stamps, because Addy gave J stamps, add 5. And that is equal to 5 to 7. And there's a bit of a simpler way of doing this part, but this is just for simplicity. A over J equals 5 to 4, 5 over 4, and then you cross multiply, so 4A, 4 times A, 5 times J equals 5J. The simpler way of doing this is that the furthest right term in the ratio goes to the furthest left term if they're equal to each other, and these two inner terms go to each other, as you can see, 4A and 5J. And then you want to make one of these subjects, so let's make A the subject. A equals 5 over 4J, so 5 quarters J. And then now we're trying to make this one also turn into an equation. So A minus 5 over J add 5 equals 5 over 7. And then 7 times A, 7A minus 35 equals 5J, that should be capital A, sorry, 5J add 25. And since A equals 5 over 4J, and this has two different terms in it, so we can't solve it, so we have to substitute this in. So 7, 5 over 4J minus 35 equals 5J add 25. I'll just put a line here so you can tell it's not together. So 7 times 5 over 4J is 8.75J minus 35 equals 5J add 25. I wrote it as a decimal because I find working with decimals is a bit easier, but if you find working with fractions is easier, keep it as a fraction. So minus 5J from this side and minus 5J from this side, so 3.75J equals, add 35 to the side and to the side, so that means 35 add 25 equals 60, and then J equals 60 divided by 3.75, which is 16. So now we've got J, all we need is A, and all we have to do is substitute into this equation. So that means that A equals 5 over 4 of 16, which equals 20. So J has 16 and Addy has 20.